In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Studio's app prototyping agent to build a full-stack web app with AI, connect Gemini and Firebase, add monetization, and publish and market it. We'll start inside the Studio by opening a new project and launching the app prototyping agent. Think of this agent as your co-pilot. Describe the app you want in plain language, including the core features, the types of users, and the data you plan to store. The clearer your prompt, the better the scaffold it generates. The agent will propose screens, data models, and basic workflows, and you can tweak the copy, layout, and actions on the spot. Use the live preview to validate flow and make quick edits. At this stage, you won't write code. You're shaping the app through prompts and configuration while leveraging the built-in AI to accelerate structure and UI. Next, integrate AI and your backend. Connect Gemini to power features like chat, summarization, recommendations, or smart form assistance. Configure your model settings and keep credentials in the Studio's secure configuration, not in your UI. Then link Firebase for your app's backbone. Use Firestore for your database, Firebase Auth for user sign-in and roles, and storage if you need file uploads. Map your generated data models to Firestore collections, wire buttons to create, read, update, and delete data, and drop in ready-made auth screens for email, social, or passwordless flows. Remember to set Firestore rules that align with your user roles to protect data from the start. With your core app working, add monetization. If you're selling subscriptions or one-time purchases, integrate a payment gateway like Stripe. The Studio supports simple commands or small code modules to add checkout, webhooks, and entitlements. Use test mode first, confirm successful payment events, and then gate premium features based on the user's plan. If your model is ad-supported, connect an ad network and define where and when ads appear so they complement, not disrupt, the experience. Keep disclosures clear and follow platform policies. Finally, publish and market. Build and deploy directly to Firebase hosting with a single publish action, verify your domain, and confirm everything runs in production. Turn on Firebase Analytics to track key events such as signups, conversions, and feature use. Then share your app on social channels or list it in relevant marketplaces. Use your analytics dashboard to see which campaigns drive engagement, double down on what works, and iterate quickly in the Studio. That's the full path: prototype with AI, connect to Gemini and Firebase, add revenue, and ship with confidence.